Yeah, culinary herbs just really highlight seasonal produce. You can turn any stir fry into something spectacular by adding a culinary herb, and the next day, if you use a different one, it will be a completely different dish. A lot of culinary herbs will last quite a while in a refrigerator. I do think that just the ability to easily dry them, even without a food dehydrator, is really a great benefit. If you can't use all of your parsley, dried parsley is an amazing thing to add to anything in the winter. It allows you the chance to be very creative with your cooking.
We both feel very lucky that all three of our kids like the farm. They've grown up just seeing what it really takes to produce something, and they're still here. We didn't chase them off.
In the past, that's what farms were. They were family adventures, and I feel really lucky to be able to spend so much time with my kids, and that's one of the reasons why I transitioned out of a medical practice onto the farm, was because I wanted to be around my family.
Well, from the start, we felt it was very important to just sell our product locally. You know, the farmer's market is just a natural fit for that. I think it's very important to have a relationship with your customer, and for them to also have a relationship with their food producer and see where it comes from.